Today I will show you how to unbox a perambulator with a small cutie doll. And I hope you have already seen my other channel, which is named as Sumit Mitro with outer color is orange. So now I will start my topic. So let's get started. I have opened the plastic here and it is a fold, and I will open the fold. See, here is this thing. I have to do like this and it will stand, but here are some locks which you have to put here and do other side same like this. Now here are the wheels of the perambulator. Here is the sweet baby. See the baby? So sweet. See the eyes. It's glowing. And it's the cap which is the baby wearing. These are the eyeshadow. And the dress is also very beautiful. And like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel as well as Sumit Mitro channel, which has the orange outline. So you can also get that channel by searching Certificate of Art Doodle Completion. Thank you. Have a nice and cheerful day ahead.